Hey there, and welcome to TechLighten Me. In this video, I'll show you how to change the color of the taskbar in Windows 11. As you can see, I've got the default Windows 11 taskbar here, which is white. So to change that, right-click on the desktop and then select Personalize. That should open the personalization settings. Next, click on Colors. In the color settings, scroll down until you find this option to show the accent color on Start and the taskbar. As you can see, the setting is grayed out for me, and I'm guessing it's the same for you. The reason it's grayed out is because the Windows color scheme is set to light mode and not dark mode. So to change that, scroll back up and change the color mode from light to dark. Now you can scroll back down again, and then enable the option to show the accent color on Start and the taskbar. Next, just select your preferred color, and the taskbar will change to that color. If this was helpful, remember to like and subscribe.